Ahmad bin Muhammad bin Sayyid narrated from Abu Abdullah Yahya bin Zakaria bin Shayban from Yunus bin Kulayb from Al-Hassan ibn Ali ibn Abu Hamza from his father that Abu Basir has said. Abu Abdullah Imam Ja'far Sadiq alayhi salam has said, Al-Qaim will not appear until the chain is completed. I said, how is the chain completed? He said, when 10,000 fighters, Jibreel will be on Al-Mahdi's right arm and Mikael will be on the left hand. Then he will shake the banner and move. Everyone in the east and in the west will curse the banner. It is the banner of the Prophet ﷺ that Jibreel has brought from the heaven on the day of the Battle of Badr. It is not of cotton, flax or silk. I said, then what is it of? He said, it is of the leaves of paradise. The Prophet has spread it on the day of Badr, and then he folded it and gave it to Imam Ali alayhi salam. It has been with Imam Ali alayhi salam until when he has spread it on the day of the Battle of Jamal against the people of Basra and has gained victory. Then he has folded and kept it safe. It has been with us, and no one is to spread it until Al-Qaim alayhi salam appears. When he appears, he will spread it, and then everyone in the east and the west will curse it. Terror will move a month before it, a month behind it, a month on its right, and a month on its left. Then he said, he Al-Qaim will appear depressed and angry because of the anger of Allah with the human beings. He will appear wearing the Prophet's shirt, which the Prophet has put on in the Battle of Badr, turban, armor, and holding the Prophet's sword, Zulfikar. He will unsheath the sword for 8 months. He will kill hurly-burly. He will begin with Bani Shayba. He will cut their hands and he will hang them on the Kaaba. Then his caller will call out, these are the thieves of the Kaaba. Then he will move to kill the people of Quraysh. He will not leave any of them safe from his sword. Al-Qaim alayhi salam will not appear except after that 2 books will have been read openly, one in Basra and the other in Kufa. By these books, people will declare the acquittance of believing in Imam Ali alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum.